Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for high-speed 3D printing reviews, multi-material additive manufacturing breakdowns, studio maker gear guides, and automated tech showcases. Today, we are putting an absolute benchmark in consumer 3D printing under the spotlight, a fully enclosed CoreXY speed demon paired with a multi-color filament feeding system that has set the standard for desktop manufacturing, the Bambu Lab P1S combo with AMS. For years, multicolor 3D printing and enclosed high-temp printing required expensive industrial machinery or endless manual upgrades. The Bambu Lab P1S combo solves both challenges right out of the box, offering a fully enclosed printing environment paired with the revolutionary automatic material system, or AMS. At the core of the P1S is a high-rigidity CoreXY motion system engineered for raw speed and acceleration. Achieving speeds up to 500 mm per second and acceleration rates up to 20,000 mm per second squared, the P1S completes complex multi-hour prints in a fraction of the time compared to traditional bed slingers. Built-in active vibration compensation and pressure advance algorithms keep print surfaces silky smooth and corners razor sharp. The enclosed chassis is a massive advantage for technical makers. With an integrated chamber temperature regulator, active auxiliary cooling fan, and charcoal air filter, the P1S holds internal ambient heat to prevent warping and corner lifting when printing demanding engineering materials like ABS, ASA, polycarbonate, and PETG. The included AMS unit mounts directly on top, allowing you to load 4 filament spools simultaneously. The AMS handles multicolor prints automatically, switches to soluble support materials for clean overhangs, and offers seamless spool auto refill, instantly swapping to a fresh backup spool when one runs empty mid-print. Bed calibration and setup are completely automated. The P1S features hands-free auto bed leveling and automatic Z-offset calibration before every job. Monitoring your prints is effortless thanks to a built-in chamber camera that captures time-lapse videos and provides live remote monitoring through the Bambu Handy mobile app or Bambu Studio desktop software. Combining 500 mm per second CoreXY speeds, a sealed thermal chamber, automated 4-color AMS printing, and seamless cloud connectivity, the Bambu Lab P1S combo is the ultimate turnkey 3D printing solution for creators. If you enjoyed this Bambu Lab P1S combo hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What multicolor or engineering print are you launching first on this setup?